Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, often dubbed India's Big Bull or Warren Buffett of India, is one of the country's most influential and revered investors. His life journey is a roller coaster of financial triumphs, learning experiences, and a deep passion for the stock market. This biography takes a light-hearted yet educational look at his life, from his early beginnings to his monumental successes and occasional setbacks, while uncovering how his bold decisions and unique approach shaped the world of Indian finance. Early life, the seeds of curiosity. Born on July 5, 1960, in Hyderabad, India, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala grew up in a middle-class family. His father, who worked as an income tax officer, often discussed stock markets at home. This sparked Rakesh's interest in investing, leading him to ask endless questions about market movements and price fluctuations. Encouraged by his father's advice to read newspapers and stay informed, young Rakesh's curiosity bloomed, and he became determined to understand the world of stocks. Though his father didn't initially support his direct involvement in the stock market, Rakesh knew his calling. After earning a degree in commerce from Sydenham College in Mumbai, he pursued a chartered accountancy course, but his heart was set on stocks. Fresh out of college and with a modest sum of 5,000 rupees, about $100 at the time, he dove into the world of investing in 1985 when the Sensex was trading at just 150 points. First taste of success, turning 5,000 rupees into millions. Jhunjhunwala's first major success came with the purchase of Tata Tea shares in the 1980s. He bought 5,000 shares of the company at 43 rupees per share, and soon after, the stock surged to 143 rupees. His small investment paid off handsomely, and Rakesh made 3 times his initial investment. This was just the beginning. Throughout the 1980s and 90s, he made smart bets on companies like Lupin, CRISIL, and Titan, gradually earning a reputation as an insightful and bold investor. It was during this time that Jhunjhunwala transitioned from being just another stock trader to a formidable force in the Indian stock market. His natural ability to anticipate trends, combined with a relentless pursuit of knowledge, led to a series of well-timed and successful investments. The Big Bull, Titan, and beyond. Perhaps Jhunjhunwala's most iconic investment is Titan Company, an Indian watchmaker that eventually became a behemoth in the retail and jewelry industries. In 2002, Jhunjhunwala purchased Titan shares at an average price of 3 rupees per share. At the time, few believed that an Indian watch company could turn into a multi-billion-dollar corporation. But Jhunjhunwala saw the potential. Over the years, as Titan's stock soared, so did his wealth. By 2021, his holding in Titan alone was worth over $1 billion. Jhunjhunwala's investment philosophy was simple but profound. Buy right, sit tight. Once he believed in a company's potential, he held on to his investments for the long term, even when the market faced turbulence. His unwavering confidence in the companies he chose allowed him to weather downturns and emerge victorious when others panicked. Failures and learning experiences, a humble approach. While Jhunjhunwala's successes are celebrated, he was never one to shy away from his failures. In fact, he openly admitted that some of his investments turned sour, emphasizing the importance of learning from mistakes. One of his notable failures was his investment in DHFL Dewan Housing Finance Limited, a company that later faced financial trouble and regulatory scrutiny. Despite the setback, Jhunjhunwala's portfolio remained resilient, a testament to his strategy of diversification. Another tough period came during the 2008 financial crisis, when the global markets crashed, wiping out a significant portion of his wealth. Many wondered whether Jhunjhunwala would be able to recover, but true to his nature, he remained optimistic. "The market is like a woman, always uncertain," he famously quipped, showing his humor even in difficult times. He rebounded in the following years, proving once again that patience and a long-term view were key to success in the stock market. The philosophy marrying fundamentals with boldness. What set Rakesh Jhunjhunwala apart from other investors was his unique blend of fundamental analysis and bold, risk-taking decisions. He believed in understanding the intrinsic value of a company, but he also wasn't afraid to make big, contrarian bets. His larger-than-life personality and infectious enthusiasm for the market made him a legend among investors. Rakesh wasn't just about picking stocks, he believed in the growth story of India. "I'm not a pessimist, I believe the future for India is bright. I'm bullish because I see opportunities," he often said. His conviction in the potential of the Indian economy led him to make long-term investments in diverse sectors, from consumer goods to pharmaceuticals to infrastructure. Ventures beyond stock market, the airline gamble. In addition to his stock market success, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala also ventured into other businesses. One of his most notable, albeit risky endeavors, was his foray into the aviation industry. In 2021, Jhunjhunwala launched Akasa Air, a low-cost airline in India. While the airline business is notoriously challenging, Jhunjhunwala's entry into the sector was met with curiosity and anticipation. Many questioned whether this bold move would pay off, but as with his stock investments, Rakesh believed in playing the long game. The airline faced numerous challenges, from regulatory hurdles to fierce competition, but Jhunjhunwala's confidence in the business model never wavered. "I'd rather fail with boldness than never try at all," he said, embodying his risk-taking approach. Personal life, a man of humility and wit. Despite his immense wealth and status, Jhunjhunwala remained surprisingly humble. Known for his quick wit and self-deprecating humor, he was a larger-than-life personality both in and out of the financial world. He often described himself as just a trader and downplayed his achievements, always insisting that luck played a significant role in his success. His simple lifestyle, candid interviews and generosity made him a beloved figure in India. In his personal life, Jhunjhunwala was deeply rooted in family values. He married Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and the couple had 3 children. Though he enjoyed the thrills of the stock market, Rakesh also found joy in philanthropy, contributing to causes related to education and health. In his later years, he shifted his focus to giving back to society, stating that it was his duty to help those less fortunate. The final years and legacy. In his final years, Jhunjhunwala continued to be a guiding force for aspiring investors. His interviews, public talks, and insights were closely followed by millions. He emphasized the importance of having a long-term perspective and not getting swayed by short-term market fluctuations. His mantra, "The stock market is a temple of capitalism," was a reflection of his belief in the transformative power of businesses. On August 14, 2022, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala passed away at the age of 62 due to a heart attack. His death marked the end of an era for Indian investors, but his legacy lives on through the countless lives he inspired. Jhunjhunwala wasn't just an investor, he was a symbol of India's economic growth and potential. His journey from a middle-class boy with dreams of conquering the stock market to a billionaire investor is a story of grit, determination, and belief in one's abilities. Conclusion: lessons from Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's life. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's life offers valuable lessons for both seasoned investors and those just starting out. His journey teaches us the importance of patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. While he made mistakes along the way, he always bounced back stronger, armed with the wisdom gained from his experiences. Jhunjhunwala's approach was a perfect blend of intuition, risk-taking, and deep analysis. He believed in understanding businesses, betting big on those he believed in, and holding them through thick and thin. But perhaps more importantly, he enjoyed the ride. As he once said, investing is like a marathon, not a sprint. And Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ran that marathon with grace, humor, and an unshakable belief in India's future. Like and subscribe to Marty's Money for more fun and educational investment content.